Now let's see how to delete the items from the list. To delete the list items, we have a del keyword. So using del keyword, we can delete any item. Suppose I want to delete the value that is present at index 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 12 is present at the fourth index. So now I want to delete 12 and let's print. I'm just trying to print this, then run the code. So now at fourth index we had 12, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now at fourth index 12, instead of 12 13 is present, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 13 is shifted to the fourth index and 12 is deleted from the list. So this was about del keyword. Next we have a pop method also. Using pop method we can delete the item from the list. Suppose list pop. Now here also we have to write down the particular index value in which like the particular index value for which we want to delete the item. Suppose I want to delete 12, so I will mention first index because 12 is present at the first index, and then I will print the list. I'll uncomment this print statement and then run the code. So now the new list doesn't include 12 at the first index because we have popped the value that is present at the first index, because we have given here in the parenthesis 1 means first index. So first index value is 12 and 12 is not in the list now. Similarly we can use the other method also, that is remove. So using remove method we can remove the particular item from the list. The difference between pop and remove is that remove doesn't takes the index value as the parameter. You have to pass here the particular item only. So suppose I'm passing hello and then I will run the code. So the new list is now where in which hello is not there, so hello is removed. Instead of passing the index value in the remove method, we have to pass the particular item only. So suppose I want to remove 12.5. so now I'll run the code. So then 12.5 now is not in the list. You can check the list. Okay, so in this way remove method is used. Now the other method is clear. We can also use the clear method in order to clear the items inside the list. So it is not going to delete the existence of the list, but it is going to clear the items from the list. So list one dot clear, if we run the code and then let's check. So list one dot clear, and here we have to use the parenthesis. Now run the code. Now there is nothing inside the list. So what is printed here? We have print statement also, so don't forget that. After we have printed, so it is only printing the list, like the empty list is printed here. Okay, so this was about the methods. Now if we are not using here in the delete, we have used here del keyword. So in the delete list one, we are not using, if we are not specifying the particular index value, and once we try to delete the whole list, so it is going to clear the whole list, like there is no such list one existence now, because it is deleted, and the error is like name list one is not defined, because we are trying to print list one, but list one is already deleted here. Here we can also use del keyword to delete any item from the list, or we can also delete the entire list. This was about deleting the items from the list.